Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add disclaimer text on your YouTube channel. So let me go here and type ChatGPT disclaimer content for Enable Website Design YouTube channel for educational tutorial videos. So now you can simply copy this content and after that go in your YouTube channel then after that click here customize channel and then scroll down. In description you can add here and after that click on publish button and make sure that you should also use disclaimer content in each video.